Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a low volume problem on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! The low volume problem may occur from a couple of reasons, but before we try to do anything, let's make sure that our audio isn't rerouted, and we can easily do that by expanding the control center from the top right corner and then disabling Bluetooth. As you could see, I was connected to my headphones right before that moment, and that would mean that they would be the one playing the audio and receiving the input. So if I would hear something, but it would be very high, very low, it probably would be my headphones playing the audio while I was having them just hang up on my neck. So once that is done, so once we are sure that no Bluetooth device is connected and nothing is really on our way, we can simply check our volume levels, and you can do that by pressing the power buttons. As you can see, if you have something like this, this means that your volume will be probably very low, but by bumping up and then playing some audio, you should be having no issues whatsoever with that feature. But what if it's still not working? What if you still hear the audio being mumbled or wrong and whatever reason? Well, then you probably want to clean the speaker grill, but be very careful. Do not use anything metallic. Like, personally, I would advise some sort of soft brush or even toothbrush, maybe even a wooden toothpick if you are very careful, but please, for the love of God, do not ever use anything metallic, like no needles. I know it's very tempting to use a needle because it just nicely fits in here, but just don't. You will probably result in destroying the speaker furthermore than cleaning it, so just be careful when doing so. But after you have done that, after you have cleaned up your speaker grill, after you have tested that no Bluetooth device is actually the one receiving the audio and playing it, you can... Well, there isn't really much you can do, to be honest. I'm kinda even forgot what to tell you. Alright, the Do Not Disturb mode has the ability to lower your volume. Technically, in reality, it actually cuts down the volume completely, so if you went to the settings, notifications, Do Not Disturb mode, you will notice that we are currently not allowing any kind of alarms and sounds while Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So that means that we won't hear anything, which isn't very smart of us. So you want to make sure that you do not have anything that actually results in your audio not playing, like Do Not Disturb mode or other different modes that you might have. For example, make sure that you haven't played around with modes and routines, because there is a very high chance, let me just add that quickly, that you can change the volume levels inside your routine. So if you have some routine that actually changes the sound mode and volume, you want to make sure that, well, it's not doing that. And by the way, if you want to learn more about routines on any Samsung device, you can always watch my tutorial on that specific topic right here on our channel. Anyway, as a last resort option for fixing the low volume problem, you can just expand the control center from the top right corner. By the way, in here we can also change the volume levels, just like that. And you want to click the power icon and then hit restart twice. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, so your speakers will be reset and hopefully they will start working again. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.